Hi listeners. Welcome back to Kokocan channel. Learning English and Bahasa Indonesia. Today you're going to listen to a short story. First part, you listen to a short story, then answer the questions based on the story you've heard. Last part, you retell the story again in your own words. Let's start listening now. Countries and nationalities. The United States covers a large part of the North American continent. Its neighbors are Canada to the north, and Mexico to the south. Although the United States is a big country, it is not the largest in the world. In 1964, its population was over 185 million. When this land first became a nation, after winning its independence from England, it had 13 states. Each of the states was represented on the American flag by a star. All these states were in the eastern part of the continent. As the nation grew toward the west, new states were added and new stars appeared on the flag. For a long time, there were 48 states. In 1959, however, 2 more stars were added to the flag, representing the new states of Alaska and Hawaii. Indians were the first inhabitants of the land which is now the United States. There are still many thousands of the descendants of these original inhabitants living in all parts of the country. Sometimes it is said that the Indians are the only real Americans. Most Americans, however, are descendants of people who came from all over the world to find a new life in a new land. Those who came first and in greatest numbers to make their homes on the eastern coast of North America were mostly from England. It is for that reason that the language of the United States is English and that its culture and customs are more like those of England than of any other country in the world. Questions. 1. What countries are neighbors of the United States? 2. How many states were there at the beginning? How many are there now? 3. How are the states represented on the American flag? 4. Who were the first inhabitants of America? 5. Why are the customs and culture of the United States more like those of England than of any other country?
Now, please retell the story again in your own words.
That's the end of the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give comment and share this link to others. See ya.